C2, May 2016, question number 5. All right, so 5A is the proof of the GP. So remember, you just have to remember this. This is my GP sum Sn written out all the way up to the nth term. I then multiply everything by R, which basically bumps everything one place over to the right. So everything's perfectly lined up. Right, and our last term now becomes this. I then subtract the two things. So I got one lot of Sn, take away R lots of Sn. Everything in the middle disappears. I'm left with the first term from the top and the last term from the bottom. Right, so if I factorize each side, I get Sn brackets 1 minus R is equal to A brackets 1 minus R to the power of n. And then I move the 1 minus R over. Okay, so remember, you just got to remember that and just basically reproduce it in the exam. Okay, for part B, we told that S5, the sum of the first 5 terms, is 275. So I've substituted my formula for the sum of the 5 terms in there. Obviously, I don't know what A is. I don't know what R is. So typical to the GP question, they're my building blocks. Right, I'm told the sum of infinity is 243. So my formula for that is A over 1 minus R. So that's equal to 243. And we've got this really nice substitution I can make here. Right, so there's my nice substitution happening. So instead of A over 1 minus R in the top block, I can replace it with 243, which gives me that there, which is now an equation just in terms of R. Move the 243 over to become a divide. 1 minus R to the power of 5 is equal to this. R to the power of 5 is therefore, if I just do some moving around, move this to become a plus, probably that over to become a minus. R to the power of 5 is equal to that thing. So you check that on your calculators. And then to get R, I'm going to do a fifth root, and it comes out very nicely to be minus 2/3. Right, and then I go back in to any one of the equations. Probably the sum to infinity one might be a good idea or something. Right, but it doesn't really matter. So you put it back in and you get that A is equal to 405.